I welcome you back again to another video lecture on C++ programming, and in this video lecture I'll go ahead and look at continuous statement. Alright, in the previous lecture I was able to teach you about break statement, and we all learned that. I believe that you practiced that before I come about this. So we broke at point 35 and we stopped there, but that is not the case. What is the case? You want to break out just from 35 and continue. How can you be able to do that? That is why we have what is called the continuous statement, so that you can be able to continue our program and our program can run and it can break out at any point and then continue elsewhere. Alright? So in case if you ever want that to be in your code, I'm going to teach you how to break out and then continue from where you stopped. Alright? So let's say, for instance, just like we did, x is equal to 20 and place semicolon. So if we run this, it moved from 20 to 50. That is what we've been doing previously. But right now, I'm going to show you the next thing that we need. So let's go ahead and use a while loop. Alright, so while loop, and I want to say that x is greater than or equal to 50. Alright, so we go ahead and say that let's go ahead and say out, and I'm going to say the value of x is equal to, so the value of x is equal to x, and we go ahead and end line right here, and x increments and place semicolon. So if we're there on this, if you give us from 20 to 50, alright, so 20 to 50, now I want to break out from 35 and continue from 36 down to 50. How can we be able to just remove this one right here? We want to remove this value of x equal to 35 from 34. If you jump this and move to 36, let's go ahead and do that. So go before this and say if. So if x is equivalent to 35, if x is equivalent to 35, then you go ahead and say x is equal to x plus 1 and plus semicolon, then continue. Alright, so once we call it continue, this means skip. Alright, it means skip. It just skip 35 and then continue. Let's run this code and check it out. Alright, you can see that it's watch this. This is a 36 and 34. From 34, it jumped to 36. Alright, I hope that is cool. And it's just continued from 36 down to 50. Alright. So in that same way, you can just remove this. You can just remove this and say x increment. And if I run this, it's going to jump from 35. So 34 to 36. Check it out again. It's coming. And you see that? So it's just exactly the same. Just say x increment. If x equal to 35, x increment, and that moves. Alright, I hope that is really very cool. So the next one I'm going to teach you right here is if you want to guys chronicle, I'm going to show you something, and we're going to do that right now. Okay, so I want to break out from 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. So I want to jump from 34 to 41. How can I be able to do that? So let's go ahead. I'm going to show you how to do that. So go ahead and say yx is less than or equal to 35. Yx is less than or equal to 35, and yx is greater than or equal to 35, and x is less than or equal to 40. So between 35 and 40 will be removed. Okay. and to continue from 41, right from the core and check it out. So, 34, can you see that? It's removed everything between 34 and 41. So from 35 to 40, we are removed and we continued from other one. So 35, that's 6, that's 7, that's 8, that's 9, and 40, we are removed. Can you see that? So in this way, you can just choose any way you want to break out and break out of the loop, and then you can continue again. Alright, it's just very simple and very straightforward. Go ahead and put it down on your own system and check it out. And in case you have any question, please go ahead and use the question and answer section, and I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you in the next video lecture.